is my short videos that I'm going to use to educate and help new moms and dads of how to take care of their newborn baby. With this one here, I'm going to start off to introduce my baby here. Her name is Baby Amanda, and I'm sure my old friends would know where this name came from. This is Baby Amanda, and I am introducing you to this new girl here. And she is very, very calm. She's very squishy, and she's very, very cute. So Baby Amanda is going to help me today to show you how to burp your babies. I have these tricks that works magic, and I'm hoping that it's going to help you, especially when you don't know what to do to get that little gas out of your baby to make the baby feel comfortable. So let's do this now. I first have my fingers right here like this, thumb and index finger around the baby's cheeks. And then I do have my palm supporting the baby. And I literally kind of, when baby is sitting in the crib or on the bed like I'm doing now, or on your lap. Okay, let's take it that this is my lap. I sit baby there, and then meanwhile I have my other hand supporting her back for now. I have my index and the thumb. I go around the baby's cheek, and then I use my other fingers to grab her shoulder. And she's literally leaning forward in my palm, just so that now my hand is supporting her. And this one here is going to be the dab dab hand. I don't know if you can hear this, but you want to have maybe like a C cup, and you want to dab dab your baby. Okay? You are not beating your baby. And believe me, when you do that, if baby is crying and baby starts feeling this dab dab on her back, he or she will be quiet. And she will kind of relax, and you will literally feel some bubbles in your right palm. If there is some gas in her belly, you feel that kind of rumbling up. Okay? When you do this for maybe like a minute and you don't hear the gas coming out, you can go around circle in circle, rubbing against her back. Okay? Keep doing this way for maybe another 30 seconds, and then you go back. All right? If it's still difficult, or you're not hearing the sound of the gas coming out, like the big the burp sound, or sometimes for some babies you don't even hear the sound, but you hear it's like a little puff. Okay, that is enough. However, if you can't hear it and you know that this baby needs some air out, you can kind of literally like, you almost like grabbing her ribs but releasing it. So it's like pinching, actually, like pinching against her ribs and then releasing it. That is like tickling the bubble, the gas to come up. Okay, so you keep doing this, and then you go back. Okay, and eventually you will hear that sound, and you extending the neck. She's in your palm, dropping her upper body in your palm, just because you are extending her neck. That way the gas is able to release easily. When you bend, when she's like this, it's kind of tough for the gas to come out because it's almost like occluding the airway. So you kind of want to do that, and then it's like an easy way out for the gas to come out. Okay, so first, like I said, you pick up baby Amanda, and she is very agitated, or she's very sad, or she's crying because she just ate and you see that she's not burping easily. Or after you finish feeding, you don't want to put the baby right away back on her back. Okay? Once you finish feeding baby, every time, either breastfeeding, either bottle feeding, when you're done feeding, you want to go bring baby up. Okay, so let's say from the feeding position right here, you can just lean her forward with your fingers supporting her cheeks, and she is forward with neck extended, resting in your palm. Then you go dub, dub. Okay? And then you'll be patting her back. Okay? So you can alternate the pat and the rub. Okay? A pat or dub, dub sound and the rub. You don't want to do it silent or soft. I'm not saying you are beating your baby again. You are doing it so it kind of echoes. And when you do it this way, she definitely knows the difference. When you are rubbing softly, it's like, caressing baby, it's okay kind of mood. We want her to be like, hey, get this out. Okay? And they love it. Remember when baby was in your belly and maybe he or she is kicking you, you kind of rub on the baby's butt. It's a similar thing here. But there, you could be doing this just to tell baby to calm down. This is what it is. However, in this case, it's going to help the gas out. So dab, 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 and then you rub. Okay, dab, 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 and then you kind of like pinch. Ribs. I'm sorry. You pinch ribs coming together and release it like that. Okay, and then you can rub. So all these 3 steps, you're going to give her a pat on her back. Okay, with her neck extended, you are supporting her cheeks or her neck with the fingers, and she's falling on in your palm. Your fingers here supporting her shoulder that way. Okay, and then you give her the pinch, and then it will wiggle out. Okay. Breastfeeding, if baby is latched on well, might not burp right away. However, when there is volume, when you are producing so much milk, it's just like imagine yourself drinking in a hurry. Up, 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 up. And then you have that buildup of gas. It will have to come out. Sometimes if you finish feeding and you relax the baby with the neck extended like that, baby will burp right away. Okay? And I suggest you always keep baby upright in a certain position, upright for a little bit after feeding, just so that baby doesn't spit up. Baby doesn't have a little gas issue like indigestion issue to make her or him upset. Doing this helps baby to have the food to settle down. Okay, so this is what you want to do to help your baby to keep her food or his food down, and then to also help the baby to get excess gas or be able to burp easily before you put the baby down. I hope this is helpful, and I will try my best to do this with every little bit of information I think you would need. But you can also send me a message and ask for some demonstration of what to do or how to go about certain things. This is Queen D on Baby Talk. Have a good one. Take care. God bless you. Bye. Bye, baby Amanda. Say bye.